Alrighty, thank you so much for checking out my Sales CRM series. To get access and download the course template, just click the link in the description. In this series, I've shown you a few things. How you can create your own custom CRM without coding. How you can easily track deals and see revenue trends so nothing falls through the cracks. How to automate your workflows with actions inside of Glide so you can focus on growth and your team can take a breather. And this custom Sales CRM is built on top of a simple spreadsheet that you can customize to fit your needs. To help keep up your momentum and keep building this project the right way, I want you to check out my No Coders Kit. It's linked in the description. It's packed full of video guides, best practices, tools, and methods, all designed to help you get the most out of no code and streamline your operations in record time. Get access through the link below. Thanks again for watching this series. It's been a pleasure putting it together. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. It not only helps me and my channel, but it also motivates me to continue creating useful content like this. And if you want to connect, I hang out on LinkedIn sometimes. And if you want to jump on a call to talk about your project, there's links for that as well below. Thanks for watching.